I'm Cory and I am an ultrasonic engineer for Herman Ultrasonics. I was diagnosed with type 1 diabetes when I was 3 years old. My parents used to have to help me give myself shots and check my blood until I was about 8 to 10 years old. Yeah, I was probably 10 years old when I started managing my own diabetes, giving myself shots, checking my own blood. Instead of have to check my blood by myself, it was a lot of responsibility being such a young age to have to check my blood and remember to check my blood and take initiative to actually check my blood sugars. The supplies I had to use prior to a stationary CGM were test strips, the pokers, alcohol swabs, syringes to take insulin, and after the syringes were needles for the insulin pen. Because, there's times where you just, as bad as it sounds, you just forget to do it. Right, you're lazy, you're 18, you feel like you're just really sweaty and like dysfunctional. I would say I've been hospitalized because of blood sugars probably 5 to 7 times throughout my life. Yeah, depending on if my blood sugar was low, I would have to eat sugar, or if my blood sugar was high, I would have to calculate insulin depending on what my blood sugar was and whatever I had eaten prior for carbohydrates to bring it back down. For me, I don't know any different. I literally don't. I don't know what it is to be like you guys where you don't have to worry about it.